is Vlogtober day 13 and 14. What is up, AM family? It's your girl Ariana Mache, back with another video, back with another banger, back with another vloggy vlog. So today, little disclaimer, I didn't record vlog. I said vlogmas. Hold on. I didn't record Vlogtober day 13. Yeah, I didn't record Vlogtober day 13 because I did a crumble cookie video. If you haven't checked that out, go check out my crumble cookie video. It's my first time, first review, all that good stuff. So today will be Vlogtober 13 and 14. It'll be a day in my life, such. So before I get the video started, make sure you like, subscribe, and also turn on the notification so you, yes, you may get notified when me, yes, me, post another video. Follow my social media, it'll be on screen and description box down below. So I'm at work. I get off at 1 o'clock today, period. So if the lighting is not good, that is why. So I'm gonna make my client breakfast, get a mess and all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all in a minute. So your girl's off work, like deuces. So yeah, I'm waiting for my Uber. I'm gonna go home, get baby girl bag ready. She been go to her father's house. I really haven't been in the right mood. I haven't really been feeling it today because of what happened to my daughter father. You know, he good, y'all, but you know, it's just at the end of the day, life's too freaking short, you know. So yeah, end of the day, life's too short, you know, to be stressed and worrying and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go home, get her bag ready. And yeah, I got some Amazon packages I gotta open. Probably show y'all that. Other than that, I'm waiting for my Uber. Alright, I gotta get TJ, so when I go pick up TJ, I'll show y'all. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all in a minute. Let me look for my Uber, check on my Uber. Cause I don't see nobody now. Let me see. My Uber says wait. But yeah, I'm gonna link everything down below. Okay, I'm finna put together. She want me to put her. Oh, this her brothers. It's bruh-bruhs. This one is, oh yeah, mask. I want it V-Max. I want it V-Max. So that's mine. And this last one, it's gotta be her uncle. Yep, this last one is her uncle. So yeah, that's the shirt. Okay, give me your Dada shirt. Give me your Dada shirt. That's Daddy. That Dada. Give me your Dada shirt. So yeah, that's that. And let me show y'all some the other stuff. I got a box I gotta open, but let me show y'all what I brought. Cause you know, early birthday gifts, I'm still finna buy her more. Period. Say period. So, come on. So this, I got her this baby shark. Oops, I hope y'all don't see my address. So yeah, I got her this baby shark table. So yeah. I don't want to get copyrighted, but yeah, I'm gonna put it up for her because she wanted it up. And I'll show y'all everything else that start. Okay, welcome to go get my baby. Yeah, I'll see y'all once I get TJ. So yeah, I'm walking. Look at the leaves. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all. So I took a break. I just watched Halloween Ends. It was good. 9.5 out of 10. Yeah, it was good. So what I'm gonna do now, I need to start a silent live. And then I need to sweep my floor. And my room just look chunky. I need to make my bed. A whole lot. So I need to straighten up. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I need to dust my TV thing off, all types of stuff. I was gonna save it into my Sunday reset, but it can't last. So I'll talk to y'all in a minute. Okay, so y'all see I finna clean up. Yeah, I'm gonna do some cleaning up, straightening up. Y'all see over here, look at that. Nothing but our t-shirts and a whole bunch of stuff. I fixed my bed already, so yeah. And then I gotta clean my TV stand because it's dirty. So yeah, just sleep. So y'all, I'm gonna end this video because I don't want to be long. I want to get it up for today. From yesterday to today, I want to get it up. I don't want it to linger no more. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and also turn your post notification on so you may get notified when I post another video. Also, drop a comment down below. Yeah, let me know how your Vlogtober is going and stuff like that. Follow up on social media. It'll be on screen and schedule box down below. Remember, I love you and like I said, love that neighbor. It's your girl Ariana Moshe. Bless the love and blessings. And I'll see y'all for Vlogtober day 15. And I'm out.